Hi, I'm Tootie Wilson from TootieLicious.com. I have 1 cup of this. And now I have 1 liter of lemon lime. And I cut up some fruit. So I had some strawberries and pineapples. So I'm just going to add those. And they'll be really good. And I froze them so they'll be kind of like the ice cubes. But you can always add ice if you like. And this is usually the punch that you find in the fountains at most weddings. So. And it's always good to have your couple of garnish sticks or little side sticks to the side and just stick in the glass to make them pretty. So there you go. That's how you make a pink wedding punch.